Tired of juggling your Amazon sales separately from your Odoo system, feeling overwhelmed by the chaos? Let's seamlessly integrate your Amazon seller account into Odoo in a few easy steps, starting with installing the Amazon Connector module from the Odoo App Store. Search for Amazon Connector and click Install. Once installed, navigate to the Settings panel to configure your Amazon API credentials. You'll need your Seller ID, Marketplace ID, and MWS authorization token from your Amazon Seller Central account. Make sure you have these on hand. Carefully copy and paste these credentials into their respective fields in Odoo. Double-checking for accuracy. Incorrect information will prevent the connection from being established. Then, save your configuration. Now, synchronize your product listings. This process imports your existing Amazon products into Odoo, allowing you to manage them centrally. It might take a little bit depending on the quantity of products you have, but make sure to click the Sync button. With the products in Odoo, you can start managing your orders directly from Odoo. You'll be able to view all Amazon orders, process them, and track their fulfillment, just like any other sales order in Odoo. Finally, reconcile your inventory. Odoo will automatically update stock levels based on Amazon sales, providing real-time visibility and preventing overselling. This integration will increase your efficiency and centralize marketplace operations.